Hey guys, I am back, and today, I'm actually showing something weird I know how to do. It's like a weird noise I know how to make. And I use my mouth as well. So, it's not like that or anything, because I can't even do that for some reason. Most people can, I can't, for some reason. But, it kind of sounds like a duck for some reason. It sounds like... I don't know why it makes me laugh. Alright. And I'm going to teach everybody, if you want to know how to make this sound, I'm about to teach you how. If you know how to do this, like make a quiet fart noise, like, or something like that, then you can make this noise. All you have to do is put your hand like this, and this actually amplifies it a bit, so it's a little bit louder. And then you do this, which makes it a little bit louder. So, to make it sound like that, you just do this. So it's like... Yeah, that's a weird noise I know how to make. Yeah, this was a very short video, but it is pretty weird too. Well, also, it's been a little while since I've done some origami as well. So, leave a comment down below if I should teach anybody how to make one of these that transforms. Which I know how to make one. This is a ninja star, but I can make one that transforms from one of these, and it turns out, and it makes an 8-pointed one. So leave a comment down below if you'd like to see that. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see everybody in the next video.